What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about the opportunity that we have in front of us. Yes, the market is not at the best spot. We can all agree that seeing, a lot of altcoins at lower levels is not something we want. However, if you are maybe long-term mindset or looking at the future of where crypto will be, this is kind of what you want to see, because you can dollar cost average into it and be able to have more for less and be able to capture more in the end, right? That's the end goal, is to be able to make as much money as you can from crypto, utilize crypto in such a large way, and have the world accept crypto. And right now we're in this spot to where we see acceptance right in front of our eyes, right? With many different conversations, many different things that are happening and different use cases that are in front of us, we see the acceptance right in front of our eyes. And there's no better time than right now to find a platform, start investing, and hopefully make your money over the next, year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever your timeline actually is. So before we get started in this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links down below for Patreon and Twitter. And I want to give a big thanks to CoinW for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Now, I think what people don't understand right now is that you have an opportunity in front of you. You have an opportunity to capture a lot of cryptocurrency at low prices and have that potential chance to become a millionaire, right? Become a crypto millionaire at that, where a lot of people are counting out crypto. They counted out crypto years ago, where they were like, crypto's over, it's just a fad and all that stuff. Crypto's here, it's here to stay. It's going to be something bigger than ever. And we have some information to show you how it is going to be bigger than ever. So let's go ahead and look at where the market currently stands, and then we'll dive into some other detail here. So currently the market stands at a $2.66 trillion market cap, 1.5% decrease over the last day. Bitcoin's dominance is at 61%. You can see that majority of the impact in the crypto market is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's sitting at almost, let's round up and say a $2 trillion market cap. The rest of what you have there is through every other coin, altcoins. And then you're looking at Ethereum, that's a big part of it as well, at $231 billion. Tether and XRP over $100 billion. BNB at $79 billion, Solana at $63 billion, and so on and so forth. As you go down, you start to see a massive drop from 79 to 63, right? From 58 all the way down to 25, right? You see those massive drops, which means you have a lot of opportunity. So it gives you a chance to purchase a lot more cryptocurrency because of the fact that we're at lower prices. So this is an opportunity, right? To gather a lot more while we're seeing acceptance. And what does that mean when we're seeing acceptance, right? We see use cases that are established. We see popular figures that are talking about it. We see the government that's actually looking to push crypto and have this plan for a Bitcoin reserve, right? With the White House summit and talking about the Bitcoin reserve, right? Pushing crypto at the White House summit is a huge deal, right? That cements our place in history, right? In the future as well, right? In places to where we want to see acceptance, and we're seeing that in our own government, right? So seeing that level of impact brings us to actually obtaining crypto and believing in the future of crypto, rather than saying, hey, we don't accept this, right? We don't believe that this is going anywhere. We have more people that are like, we do believe it. Look, we have the highest power in our nation believing in crypto, believing in Bitcoin, and XRP and Solana and many others that are in this plan for a reserve. So with that being said, I think you guys need to find an opportunity, right? An opportunity to buy in. And I think you need to find a platform to buy into cryptocurrency. And that's where it brings us to our our sponsor of this video, which is CoinW. CoinW is an exchange platform that has been around for a long period of time. This platform offers no KYC. It's been around since 2017, right? People have been trading since 2017. Their charts are just amazing. They utilize some of the best charts that we could possibly have. And if you go to their platform, you have the ability to do multiple things. You're able to trade. You're able to futures trade. You're able to see ETF trading as well as bot trading in here as well. So if you don't want to do the work, you don't really have to do the work. You can invest your money into there and you could be able to make money just based on what those bots are trading. Again, you can do futures trading. So you can go in here and see some really, really good platforms. A really good platform to where you have the ability to use TradingView, which is one of the best charting platforms you can have to show you all of the different things you want to see, all the different indicators, all the different things that you want to build into it. You can do. If you want to trade at a 20x leverage, you can. If you want to trade at a 200x leverage, you can. It is a platform to where, yes, you do take that risk in leverage trading if you want to, but you can also take the risk by buying it outright and not leverage trading, by owning it and being a 100% owner of your cryptocurrency, whether it's one full Bitcoin or it's one full Ethereum or it's 1,000 Ethereum, whatever it is, you have the ability to earn. So you have many different opportunities to trade cryptocurrency, whether you're talking about Bonk, Floki, Pepe, you're talking about ADA or BTC, Ethereum, Atom, all of these, right? I just talked about Atom in my last video, or one of my last videos, that it has a huge opportunity, and I decided to jump on that opportunity. So this is one big deal because, again, the White House, right? The White House is pushing cryptocurrency. And if you have at the White House summit, you have the talks of Bitcoin Reserve, the talks of implementing Bitcoin in our monetary system and being able to utilize Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, ADA, all of those things. You can be able to get so much in the end. So honestly, CoinW, great platform. Feel free to check it out. The link to this will be in the description. I'll provide as much information as I can, whether it's to their Twitter or to their actual website, where you can start trading today, whether you want to do an isolated, leverage, or you want to just trade outright, you can. Or again, if you want to be hands off or do copy trading, you can do that as well. This is a platform that honestly offers it all. And I love what they're actually doing here. So again, you can utilize my link. Make sure you use my referral link down below. And sign up today so you can get some extra rewards and bonuses on top of that. CoinW, thank you for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into our original content, which kind of flows in a way, right? Because we're talking about why we're going to be able to become multi-millionaires from cryptocurrency. And the reason why we're going to be able to become multi-millionaires from cryptocurrency is because of things like this, right? The access to crypto in something like CoinW, the access to use cases, which it comes to the government being able to implement things or businesses being able to implement things, and so many different people that are talking about the use of crypto, the use of this, the impact of crypto. And it's just in our heads, it's on our social media, it's everywhere. So we have this opportunity, right? Whether you don't own crypto now or you do own crypto, you have an opportunity to average down or buy at these levels and see what that success ends up being, not just this year, but next year, the year after that, the year after that, and so on and so forth. So if you want to take advantage of that opportunity, make sure you guys find a platform to buy, to sell, to trade back and forth, to hold long term. I think CoinW is a good one. So feel free to check that out. Again, link is in the description. So with the government pushing this crypto reserve and, seeing the many people that are in a form of power that want to see the success of altcoins like XRP, Solana, ADA, and many others, even some meme coins at that. Don't you think that this deserves a bigger look, do you think that you can potentially become a millionaire from these plays? Because you look at XRP, if XRP becomes or has the same value, let's say as a Bitcoin where it gets up to a $1 trillion market cap, you're looking at a $20 price point, right? $10, $20 price point. And if you hold a decent amount, 100,000, you're looking at $2 million at a $20 price point, right? If you hold 200,000, you're looking at $4 million at a $20 price point. Like, this is the thing, right? You're gaining so much in the end by having this opportunity and taking advantage of these opportunities. This is my opinion. I hope that you guys see it as that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links down below for Patreon, for Twitter, and for our video sponsor, CoinW. Thank you for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.